You were getting looks, being a target school, tough major.
I was getting looks. I mean, I was definitely getting a lot of looks from like the prop trading shops and stuff like that. Like just because I was kind of their ideal profile, just like a math
Yeah.
major with some CS exposure.
Right.
And so I got a lot of those interviews, but I didn't find that stuff as exciting at the time. Even though it was more mathy. I think I was more interested in trying to push a little bit more towards the fundamental stuff, which is why like this particular opportunity really stood out to me. In terms of the actual like process with that firm, then I think one of the reasons why it worked out well for me was that they were just very open minded with respect to what kind of person they wanted. Like they wanted a kind of person who was like very much like a first principles thinker, to use like that catchphrase. Someone who would really pause and like try to figure out where you want to be in the market at a given time, and not just kind of follow trends. And I think that's what stood out to me stood out to them about my candidacy, was that I kind of came in with like a very open mind, and was like very intellectually forward and honest in like all my exchanges with them. So pretty much any conversation they would have with me about like my motivations or interests or whatever, I was like very candid throughout the process.
So you're a genuine person. They knew you had the brights, but you weren't trying to BS them. Basically, you're
yeah, exactly.